Hi guys, welcome to Perseverance Software Training Institute. Alright, in one of the previous video we have created a virtual machine for our Docker labs. Alright, so we already have the server on, right? This is the server, correct? Yeah. So alright, so if you want to change the name, you can change it. Simply you can vi, so vi etc hostname. Alright, so meaning inside the etc directory we have a file called as hostname. Just click on enter. What is vi? Vi is an editor, so you can edit the file. So this is the file, so click on escape, after that I, so it takes us to the insert mode. So you can delete it by clicking on escape X, or you can click on, you can use other options like double D and all. Yeah, all right, so just put something like escape I. It is insert mode. I'm clicking insert escape I. Now we have something like Docker, so I have changed it. Okay, just observe here. So you can put any name. So my name is Praveen. I can put Praveen also, but make some sensible names out of it. So keep Docker server or anything as such. So escape colon. So it is not like escape plus colon, it is like escape. After that, you click on colon WQ. Okay, save and exit, enter. Perfect. So now if you cat etc host name, all right, host name, it gives Docker server. Okay, but it is not immediately reflected. You should restart the server. Okay, all right. How to restart the server? You can give sudo space reboot. It will restart it. All right. So anyways, we'll do that later. All right. So for now, let's install Docker. How to install Docker? So sudo is required. What is sudo? See, basically sudo is super user do. All right. So if you are on a normal user, for example, if you are on Ubuntu user, so how to switch to Ubuntu? You are on root user now, so switch to Ubuntu. Switch user hyphen Ubuntu user ID, enter. So now if you want to perform any admin level activity, see, installing a new software is admin level activity. Okay, so try it by installing. So apt is a package manager to install Docker. So all the softwares can be installed using this package manager. Advanced packaging tool, apt stands for advanced packaging tool, space install is a keyword to install a software, space Docker. You can just simply give docker.io. We can install many other things. We can see that later, but this is enough for now. So docker.io. But if I do this, it will tell that permission denied, because are you root? So what it is telling us, you are not a root user, you are on Ubuntu, you do not have the permissions to install it. In this context, you can give sudo space with the command, so that okay, there is a typo. All right, sudo space with the command. So what this does is, this particular command, any command which is prefixed with sudo in front, will help you to execute any command with the root privileges, meaning root permissions. All right, that's it. If you are not on the root user, I'm on Ubuntu, right? So I can execute this apt install docker.io command prefixing sudo. If not, what you can do, you can directly log into root user, sudo su, and you can do like apt install docker.io. This also works. Okay, you can go either way. All right, so let's do this. Let's go to su hyphen ubuntu, switching to ubuntu user. Now what you do is, um, sudo apt package manager install docker.io. All right, click on enter. Okay, so what it tells us, package docker.io has no installation candidate. Okay, so before installing a software, better we need to update package manager. Meaning, see, this apt is nothing but a package manager. It helps us to search that software on web and download it and install it for us. Otherwise, it's a hectic job for us. All right, so what we need to do is, before doing any performing any action using apt, it's always recommended to update apt. So it is like sudo apt update. Okay, enter. It updates all required details, latest available details, etc., so that it can grab any software when required. Okay, all right, it is updating itself. Yeah. All right, yeah. See, this is done. We got switch to our terminal now. I mean, we can execute commands. Now sudo, you can click on up arrow, you will get previous commands. Yeah, this is the one, right? Enter. So now it will install. It is asking for the confirmation. Give y. See, it is telling that 289 MB will be needed, right? Space. 289 MB of additional disk space will be used. All right. So you can click on continue. So with y as an option. Yeah. All right. So this will install your Docker. Okay. Fine guys, we are done now. So just clear it now. If you give docker and enter, it will show all the required options. Okay, so just to test, so docker space hyphen v is the command. All right. See, this command will tell, okay, docker version 24.0.7 is installed. All right. All right, fine guys, this is the installation part. Yeah, further labs will check out the advanced usage of Docker tool, yeah, to work with containers. Thanks, guys.